Kailangan mo naman kumbinsin ng mga cool kids. Wow, cool kids!
Yes.
Si Ayon, si Darren, at saka si si Ryan.
Sir Ogie.
Ay, si Ogie, sumama na doon.
Kids.
Oh, cool kids eh. Ogie, hindi ka pwede sumama dyan.
Bakit?
Di ba sama yung cool kids?
Ano ba siya? Bakit?
Kid ka lang, di ka cool.
Actually, cool siya.
Cool siya, pero may edad ka na. Cool aid ang kailangan.
Cool pero concentrated na.
Grabe kayo kay Kim.
Okay, action!
Hey guys,
Bili na po kayo, sir. Bili na po kayo. Murang-mura po kayo.
You look at that,
Nagpo-promo po
pare.
kami ngayon. 35 pesos na lang po.
What's that?
Sisig po.
Pinapahugasan, wash that, sabi.
Mura
Hugasan
na lang po ito para sa inyo po.
Para sa amin.
Opo. Ano pong order niyo po?
Naku, cool
Ano-
kid ka at Englishero ka.
Okay. He's our leader.
How much the sisig?
35 pesos na lang po ngayon kasi na-promo po kami. Bagong bukas
What
lang
do you
po.
think?
Magkano? 35 pesos po.
Do you want sisig?
Yeah, that's so like...
Para po sa mga cool
You
kids
want
mo
sisig?
katulad niyo.
Are you gonna treat us?
One of the special dish in the Philippines.
Yeah, sisig, bro. Yeah,
You want
yeah.
sisig?
Of course.
You wanna tikim?
Pare, that sisig looks so good, pare.
Ay, ayun talaga yung cool kid. Lumabas na. Paano?
Pare, that sisig looks so good, pare. Like,
Order na po kayo, sir.
does your sisig
Murang-mura
have
naman.
like rosemary or like oregano?
Rosemary! Tapos sinagot ka, yeah, concentrated
Oregano? I got you, man.
But we have Mama Mary here, ha?
Gotcha.
I got you.
Can we try?
Yes,
Okay po, sir. Sige po. Ilan po ba?
hindi nagsasalita?
Do you have a chopstick?
Naging rapper siya.
Come on.
Do you have a chopstick or?
My boy. You wanna taste
my
first?
boy.
My boy. Yeah, you wanna go?
I don't use my fingers. Do you have a pork or chopsticks?
You are in the Philippines, my boy. You wanna kamay?
Sorry,
okay,
strong.
You sure kamay?
Okay.
Yeah, we just came out from a night in Pobla, so like they're kind of like
Paano yung Pobla, pare?
they came from like Pobla kasi, so we just want like sisig, you know, like pampatanggal angas.
daddy nyo?
Hindi lang yun, ha? Kasama niyo pa yung referee niyo.
I'm one of the cool. I'm one of the cool kids.
Yung isa athlete, ito referee.
Can I try?
Chili. One chili po.
What do you call that one? What's that?
This is
Pili ko talaga
sisig.
hindi
Special
bumabalik si
sisig
Isa
and so affordable.
So affordable.
35 pesos only.
What makes it affordable?
The ingredients
what's
your
inside?
sisig.
It's so very delicious.
Very.
Yes, very delicious.
Parang I don't wanna buy that, pare, kasi like baka yung auto ko baka bumaho eh.
Babaho na yung auto niya, ate. Ano sagot mo doon?
No, it's not. It's not bad smell.
It's not bad smell.
Patakip na lang
Tapos
siguro.
diba?
You know what?
Yes.
Our leader, he's an expert in the sisig.
Yes.
So what's
Where's the liver that the sisig?
the liver?
Basta liver
No.
lover.
There's no liver, sir.
Can you put some more sibuyas?
More onions pa, sir.
Oh.
More chili.
What part of that?
Yes, what part?
Of the animal, what part?
It's
Hindi alam yung part.
What part of the animal? What part of the animal?
paste.
The face.
Oh, the face.
The face of the big.
Is that right? Is the face?
I think so, my man.
Why?
Which part in face?
Which part of the face?
Basang-basa yung pisngi ni Darren kay Ryan. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.